Today's quote. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. If it is your worst day, then begin it with a smile, because that smile will make your day better. Every second of life is more important than anything else. So it's always, get busy living instead of waiting for a death which is uncertain. Thanks for watching. Do share this message with someone to inspire.
To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Subscribe Comfy Quotes on YouTube to see more videos.